Welcome to the channel. In this video today, we're going to be talking about simplifying like terms. So what exactly are like terms? Well, we can answer this by looking at an algebraic expression. So the expression we've got here is 2x plus 6 plus 5x minus 3. So the like terms are simply the numbers which have a common letter or a common lack of letter after them. So here we can see that in the red circles, we have our two x terms. So these are the 2x and the plus 5x. We can also see that we have the number terms which are in the blue circles. So in this case, this would be the plus 6 and the minus 3, and these are our number terms. So now the next step is to collect these like terms together. So as you can see, we're going to move the number terms to one side and then the x terms to the other side. So we have 2x plus 5x and we have minus 3 and plus 6. And now we simply have to add these terms together. So we can see the result of this now. So 2x plus 5x, well, that gives us 7x. And we have minus 3 plus 6, and that gives us plus 3. So taking the initial expression, 2x plus 6 plus 5x minus 3 gives us the result of 7x plus 3 in its most simplified form. Now let's go through a few more examples. We'll begin with the expression 5x plus 3 minus 7x minus 5. So our first step is to identify the like terms. In this case, we can see identified by the red and blue circles that we have two x terms. These are the 5x and the minus 7x. And we again have two number terms. This is the plus 3 and the minus 5. Now we're going to collect the like terms together. So you can see that the number terms are going to go on one side and the x terms are going to go on the other side. And now we can combine the terms together. So you can see we have 5x minus 7x. That gives us minus 2x. We also have plus 3 minus 5, and that gives us minus 2. So the expression 5x minus 5 minus 7x plus 3 gives us the final expression minus 2x minus 2 in its most simplified form. Now we have a slightly trickier expression, but again, it's exactly the same principle, so nothing to worry about. So we have 3x plus 3y minus 2 minus 7y minus 2x plus 5. So we go through exactly the same steps, so all we have to do is identify the like terms. Now previously, we had just an x term and a number term. Now we have an x term, a number term, and we also have this additional y term. But that's no problem. So you can see we've identified our x terms in the red circles. These are the 3x and the minus 2x. We've identified our y terms in the blue circles. These are our plus 3y and our minus 7y. And we have our two number terms in the green circles. These are our minus 2 and our plus 5. And as before, we separate our different terms into different piles. So we have our x terms. This is our 3x and our minus 2x. Then we have our y terms. This is our 3y and our minus 7y. And then we have our number terms. This is our minus 2 and our plus 5. Putting this all together, we have 3x minus 2x, which is just x. We have plus 3y minus 7y. This gives us minus 4y. And lastly, we have minus 2 and plus 5. And this gives us plus 3. So bringing that all together, we started with the initial expression. And this simplified gave us x minus 4y plus 3. We have another similar one to the last expression. So this time we have 10x plus 3y minus 3x plus 2y minus 7x. First step is to identify the like terms. In this case, we only have two different terms, but we have three x terms. So we have 10x, minus 3x, and minus 7x as our three x terms. And we have two y terms, and these are plus 3y and plus 2y. Next step is to combine the like terms together. So on one side we have 10x minus 3x minus 7x. On the other side we have plus 3y plus 2y. So the x terms, well, 10x minus 3x minus 7x, that just gives us 0x, which is just 0. And then we have plus 3y plus 2y, and that gives us plus 5y. So this gives us 0x plus 5y, but this is just 5y. Now to try some examples for yourself to see if you've learned anything today. Video and have a go at these 4 questions. Well done for hopefully honestly attempting those 4 questions. I'm going to run through the answers now. So to begin with, on question 1 we had 3x plus 4 plus 2x plus 5. Well, if we group the x terms on the left, that gives us 3x plus 2x. And if we group the number terms on the right, that gives us plus 4 plus 5. Simplified down, 3x plus 2x, well, that just gives us 5x. The plus 4 and the plus 5, that's just plus 9. So our final answer to question 1 is 5x plus 9. For question 2, we had minus x plus 3, minus 4x minus 5. Well, again, grouping the x terms on the left, we had minus x minus 4x. And grouping the number terms on the right, that gives us plus 3 minus 5. Bringing that all together, that gives us minus 5x minus 2. Third question, x plus 2y plus 3x plus 3y. Again, grouping the x terms on the left gives us x plus 3x. Then grouping the y terms on the right gives us 2y plus 3y. Bringing this all together, we get 4x plus 5y. Lastly, we have minus y plus 4x minus y plus x plus 2. Well, if we group the y terms on the left this time, we have minus y minus y. Then in the middle, we have the two x terms, and we have 4x plus x. And then we have this number term on the end, plus 2. In total, this gives us minus 2y plus 5x plus 2.